Hi, teacher and companions. My best vacations so far were in Panama. Were simple, amazing. We have some friends in this city. They are very hospitable. I traveled with my husband and the plane trip lasted 2 hours. The weather in Panama is very hot. We went to the beach. I love the beach. I especially enjoyed the malls. They are huge. We also visited the Panama Canal. It is wonderful. The city of Panama has large buildings and bridges that connect the entire city. I hope can do this some other time. It was a great holiday idea. My summer vacation and end in August. After 3 weeks in Panama, returned to work in Colombia. Thank you. Goodbye.